Welcome, in front of me is a V-Mobile S39, and today I'll show you how to access the factory mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off, like so, and wait for the device to actually fully shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration. Okay, so there was the vibration, and now that it's off, you want to hold power key and volume down simultaneously. And once you see the logo, you can let go. And we're now in the factory mode. So from here, you'll use volume down to scroll down and power key to confirm. And the first two options basically are different tests. So I think the top one is the automatic test, while the second option below that is a manual test, which will allow you to run tests individually on a part of the phone that you wish to. There's some other stuff, and what is right here, clear eMMC, is basically a hard reset, and then the last option is reboot. So once I select, for instance, a reboot, to just leave this mode or confirm it with power key, and you'll see that it pops up a message rebooting and then turns back on. And there it is. We're now out of the factory mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.